Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit video on Lumen5. So first thing is go to lumen5.com and this will be their homepage, and just simply go ahead and select new video over here to create a single video. Now just simply go ahead and select a preview on what you prefer. Let's say I'm going to go for this one, and you will have your different formats. So this will be depending on you. I'm going to go for one by one and select use this template. Now just simply go ahead and choose how to get started. So let's say I'm going to go for start from scratch. So now from here, it is a very simple one. So on the left side, you will have media and you will have the library, and you could use the search bar for a specific clip. Now you will have multiple categories over here, or you could upload your own media. Now here on the left side, you will have the icons, and from here you could add the voice. You could add AI media over here. So let's say I'm gonna go for guy walking on fashionable dress and click on generate. So let's see how it goes. So of course guys, this is just an example prompt, and just simply select one over here. And after that, you will have here music as well. You will have the style and the format. So over here, you could select add to add a text on media scene or insert a talking head scene. So pretty much this will be depending on you. So from here, I have two samples over here, and I could change the text over here. And pretty much the template really helps me out to figure this out. And you will have here the number of duration. You could swap design, swap for color, and you could have the preview as well. Select publish over here on the top right corner. And after that, we should be able to have the download icon over here. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching.